bien.
Let's take a listen to how this sounds. It's usually at about 30, 40 miles an hour. It gets louder when you hit the brakes, so I'm assuming it's something to do with the brake pads or calipers or something. Maybe even the wheel weight on the wheel or something. So here we go. Foot on the brake, foot off the brake. Foot on the brake, foot off the brake. This Audi is a perfect example of that backing plate. Goes all the way around the rotor. And let's just say this screwdriver here was a rock and it got caught in between the rotor and the backing plate. Watch the noise. That's what you're gonna get if this was a rock. It's very simple for a rock to get caught in there, especially right in that area right there. Rocks get in there. So you take the rock out and the noise goes away. You know, I get a lot of questions about this backing plate. This is the backing plate I'm talking about, where the rock gets stuck in between. That's it, and it goes all the way around the rotor. So that's all you have to do is find something to reach through your wheel and just push on that backing plate. If there's a rock caught in between down in here, then the rock should either move or fall out. So check that out. And as you can see, even with the wheel on, I can still reach that backing plate and move that backing plate. It doesn't take much to move it. Just a little push, you know, and a long screwdriver. It really doesn't matter what you use. You could use a piece of pipe. You can still reach that. You can use a pen. You can get your pen in there and still move it. Some pretty bad brakes right there. It's got to be metal to metal. No more brake pad left. Let's go check it out and I'll show you guys what I find. Let's go see if there's any brake dust on the rims. Oh yeah. Pretty bad. Yeah, that's a sure sign. You can see the rust on the tire and on the rim. That's from brake dust getting wet and then rusting. The noise is horrendous, and when you apply the brakes, it's absolutely crazy. The whole car shakes. The brake pads are making tons of noise. The rotors are rusted to crap. So, kind of just wanted to show you that even if you're not applying the brakes and your brakes are really bad, they can still make noise. Go ahead. Hit the brake.